Hello again, this is our fourth video in which I'll be showing you how to use Forest application and Pomodoro application on your phones. And for those who didn't see the previous videos, please make sure to do. And let me recap what we have done in the previous video. We have explained what is procrastination and how do you overcome procrastination using that formula. And how do you maximize the motivation part? If you remember, if you do not remember, please go back and make sure you keep it in mind. And I'm going to record the rest of this video from my phone, so stay tuned.
Hello and welcome again. So this is our fourth video that's recorded from my phone. Unfortunately, I'm not able to record my face and my phone battery is about to die. So let's go to the Play Store. First of all, you have to download the Forest application. So Forest, stay focused. After you download it, you just open it. And here you have the application. So if you press on the left one, on the three lines on the top left corner, it shows you your forest, your timeline, etc. So I'm seeing my forest at the moment. I have one dead tree because I gave up. So here, let's say you want to focus, you choose the time you want to focus, and as long as you stay focused, as long as you earn coins to purchase other types of tree to customize your forest. So let's say I choose to focus for 10 minutes. I just put 10 minutes, I leave my phone and I just close my phone and start working, and I come back after 10 minutes. Let me show you what will happen after 10 minutes. So we are back after 10 minutes. So it says that you have focused 11 minutes today. So if you press on the bottom left corner and then go to Forest, you can see your tree is planted and it grew already. So you keep on repeating this process and then you will have a huge tree, huge forest full of trees. So I've been using this application on my iPhone, but my iPhone broke and I couldn't synchronize my account, so I lost everything. So this is one application you can use in order to track your performance, track your timing, and focus on a specific task. Plus, it also rewards you with an amazing forest. So the second application is the Pomodoro. Let's go to the Play Store. Pomodoro. And it is this one. If you can choose whatever one, but it has the same concept. You open it and it shows you this one. You press on the 25 below and then you start and you leave your phone and you just work on a specific task. After you're done, you just repeat this process for 4 times and then take a larger break of 15 to 30 minutes. But honestly, I prefer Forest because when you're done with Forest, you see something physical there, which it's something intangible, but at least it's something that grew up, you know, a tree. I think Pomodoro, you don't have this one, so that's why I prefer Forest.
So this is the end of our tutorial, and I hope you learned how to use Forest and Pomodoro. And as I've said, I personally prefer Forest instead of Pomodoro because of the trees. When you wait for a while and then you see something that is rewarded because of your patience, this psychologically makes you happy. So I believe this is the end of our course. This is the end of our lecture. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.